Good morning to all of you. I, Professor B.S. Deshmukh, lecturer of Mechanical Engineering Department of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samajas, Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic. In previous lecture, we have to discuss on the recent trends in automobile industry chapters. Discussion on hybrid cars, hybrid electrical vehicles, type of hybrid cars, various types of batteries, storage system, hybrid units, and comparison between the batteries. Today, we have to discuss on the advancement in safety and security in automobiles. Because we know that the automobile safety is the study and practice of design, construction, equipments, and regulation to minimize the occurrence and consequence of automobile accidents. Road traffic safety more broadly includes roadways designs. One of the first formal academic studies into improving vehicle safety was by Cornell Aeronautical Laboratory of Buffalo, New York. The main conclusion of their extensive report is the crucial importance of seat belts and padded dashboards. However, the primary vector of traffic related deaths and injuries is the disproportionate mass and velocity of an automobile compared to that of the predominant victim, the pedestrians. In the United States, a pedestrian is injured by an automobile every 8 minutes and are 1.5 times more likely than a vehicle's occupants to be killed in an automobile crash per outing. Improvement in roadways and automobile designs have steadily reduced injury and death rates in all first world countries. Nevertheless, auto collisions are the leading cause of injury related deaths and estimated total of 1.2 million in 2004 or 20% of the total from all causes. Of those killed by autos, nearly two-thirds are pedestrians. Risk compensatory has been used in arguments against safety devices, regulations, and modifications of vehicle despite understanding safety. In order to understand how seat belts and airbags provide protections, it is important to know about occupant movement in the event of an accident. Upon impact, the vehicle either deaccelerated rapidly or accelerated when hit by a moving object such as another vehicle. When this occurs, inertia always causes the occupants to move in the opposite direction to the applied impact force. The safety systems are intended to reduce the risk of contact between the occupants and vehicle interior. However, glasses generally prevent the risk of injuries caused by objects entering the vehicle from outside. Car safety features. We know that the various car safety features like as airbags, frontal crumple zone, collapsible steering wheel, side impact bars, front seat belts, rear seat belts, rear crumple zone. ETD and seat belts force limiter. The four seat belts and some of the outer rear belts are equipped with ETDs in addition in some seat belt systems. Belt force limiters are included. Active and passive system, the term active and passive are simple but important terms in the world of automobile safety. Active safety is used to refer to technology assisting in the prevention of a crash, and passive system safety to components of the vehicle. Means the active safety is used to refer the technology assisting in the prevention of a crash, and passive safety to components of the vehicle, primarily airbags, seat belts, and the physical structure of the vehicle that help to protect occupants during a crash. Crash avoidance, driver assistance, backup camera, lights and reflection, unused safety features like as a many different inventions and ideas which may or may not have been practical about auto safety have been put forward but never made it to a production car, such as items includes the seat belts, driver seat in the middle to give the person a better view, the exception being the sports cars rear facing seats except for in front car seats and control steering. Okay, there are some provision for the pregnant woman. When pregnant woman should continue to use seat belts and airbags properly. A University of Michigan study found that unrestrained or improperly restrained pregnant women are 5.7 times more likely to have an adverse fatal outcome than properly restrained pregnant women. If seat belts are not long enough, extensions are available from the car manufacturers or an aftermarket supplier. Then now we have to start our presentation related to the advancement in safety and security in automobiles. There are some contents. Introduction about the safety in cars or the importance of safety, types of safety systems like as a ABS means the anti-lock braking system, collision warning system, sturdy body cell, electronic stability control, blind spot detector, survival cell, airbags and seat belts. Now start. We know that the automobile industry is undergoing a big transformation never seen before. Nowadays, we have to see that the automobile industry can focus on the safety purpose or the safety aerodynamic shapes, changes in fuel. These are the big transformation never seen before. Today, cars are not only used for personal transportation, but they are encompassed with the entertainment that rise with the fidelity of our home theaters, like as a home theaters, sitting arrangement, making more comfortable, safety features making our car more safer, which is not or never seen before. Okay, now our discussion point, which is the automobile safety. But what is the need for automobile safety? First point, which is protection of the driver and the passenger, is the more important than other things, that the protection of driver and passengers in considering automobile safety, protection of the car from primary damage. Before damaging or to the driver or passenger, firstly, when the accident is happen, at that time car will be the damage. Therefore, protection for the car from primary damage is the need of automobile safety. Protection of the pedestrians, load reduction on insurance companies, because when the accident is happen or the more damage to the car, automatically that load on insurance company. Therefore, due to the automobile safety, it will be reduction in insurance company, load on insurance companies. Now here we have to see that the some of the safety features used in automobiles. In first picture we have to see that the sensor which can maintain the proper distance between two cars on road. Next one, which is rear camera, which will be used for parking purpose. Next one is the car body. Next one is ESC systems, headlights, proper headlights, which can save the car in at night. ABS, anti-lock braking system, and airbags. Now today we have to discuss on the types of car safety, where first one is airbags. Nowadays airbags is the primary or the first safety in every car. Here are the components of airbags are crash sensor, inflator system, inflatable airbags. Here we have to see the actual working of the airbags. There are two diagrams or the pictures in photos in pictures. First one is airbags before collision, airbag after collision. We know that the every airbag has three components, which is crash sensor, which is generally located in front of a car. Second one is inflator, and third one is airbags. When the accident is happen, at that time crash sensor can give the signal to the inflator, and after sensor or the after feedback from the crash sensor, there is a inflator can active, and it will open the airbags, where nitrogen gas is present in airbags, and which can save the driver and passenger. There are different types of airbags. Driver side airbags, which is generally located on the upper side of the steering wheel. Passenger airbags, which is located in cars when the accident is happen, and it will save the life of the passenger. Okay, today we have to discussion on the safety in cars, and in that portion we have to cover the description of the airbags. Remaining portion we will cover in next lecture. Thank you.